Hit it, Justin.
Wheeling or 5?
Yeah.
We want to put some weight on the flat.
Oh yeah, we're getting the weight on. Man, that's good.
I noticed just after I'm like, okay, since they noticed, we'll have to give you some money. Now we got to do the weight. Do you still take the prize money now, or is it like? They try it again.
Weight in the back.
That's more like it.
Run home.
Nice rub.
Doug, your crotch is in my video.
Yeah. Okay, what is it? Anytime.
You can hear my voice.
Let Trey go and then Bob, you're next.
So why if we call Bobby, you just stand there like, hey.
What do I do?
Clear the road!
More speed!
More power! Stand back for the rocks are hurting us. And the other ones are in the middle.
That's what Kevin's putting them at the
Like
back.
everybody else.
Well, Kevin's not doing it. That hump is bullshit.
We got smoke.
You might want to disconnect. Do something with your rig.
Get it away from
Put
mine.
20 pounder on it.
No.
Come on, man, pay attention.
Yeah, I think so too.
Shit, I'm out of here.
He's
all
We're going for broke.
Blow it up.
That hump is killing me. And everybody else.
Well, the other guy went way down there.
Well, he had more power.
Yeah, that's really unfair.
Yeah, that's the hump.
Okay, so.
Well, I missed that.
You missed it.
Totally missed that.
You need to set up further down the track for these guys.
Yeah, we've already done the
The hump's holding the trailer. The sled.
Move it over. Yeah, Mark. But then some people have run over the hump, some people haven't. So what do you do?
This thing, I'm going to. They have to fill in the rock. Well, considering my truck weighs more than No, I was going now. I said I wasn't going far. It's not doing it. Oh, that's possible. In my head. Just get that fourth wheel on the ground. Jeez.
I like the way it's started swimming before. Chris, drop the box. Huh?
Yeah, over the off. Oh, that's it for that one. Oh,
Drive shaft.
both back wheels. The first one wasn't spinning first, and then the back one snapped. Drive shaft. Okay, now it's I knew.
Okay, I got it.
All right, Chris. Go.
That's pretty much it for that.
Drop right down.
You want me to put the other weight in?
Yeah, I didn't think mine was going to do that good. But I think it helped me with being able to get it back.
Jim, is he good to go?
Okay.
Am I good?
I have that.